Welcome to Cheenta Statistics and Data Science. Today we're going to solve this problem from IIT JMMS 2022, problem number 27. The problem says that let x order 1 is less than x order 2 and so on is less than x order 9 be the order statistics corresponding to a random sample of size 9 from a uniform 0, 1 distribution. Then which one of the following statements is not true? So there are four options and which we have to find which one of the following options is not true. So let x1 through xn be IID uniform 0, 1. Let a random sample of size n be taken from uniform 0, 1 distribution, where this thing x order 1, x order 2, and x order n up to x order n be the order statistics. Then let fr of x be the PDF of x order r. That means this is the PDF of the rth order statistics. Let that be fr. Now we know that obviously fr of x is nothing but n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial times fx to the power r minus 1 into 1 minus fx to the power n minus r into fx. Now this capital Fx is actually nothing but the CDF of the parent distribution, right? This uniform distribution, CDF. So obviously that is x, we know that, right? It's very easy to know. So this ultimately this entire thing is actually n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial into x to the power r minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power n minus r, right? So obviously that it can you can easily see that this is nothing but the form of the beta distribution of the first kind of with parameters r and n minus r plus 1. That means x order r follows beta distribution of the first kind. This beta 1 denotes beta distribution of the first kind. So beta 1 with parameters r and n minus r plus 1, right? Now here n is 9, obviously. A random sample of size 9 has been taken. So x order r becomes beta distribution of first kind with parameters r and 10 minus r, right? So x order 9 becomes beta distribution of the first kind with 9 comma 1, obviously. Now we know that if x follows beta 1 with alpha and beta, that means if x is random, so if x is a random variable with beta 1 distribution with parameters alpha and beta, then x minus x by x 1 minus x, this thing, x by 1 minus x follows beta 2 distribution with parameters alpha and beta. We know that, right? So therefore, x order 9 by 1 minus x order 9 follows beta 2 distribution with parameters 9 and 1. Since x order 9 initially follows beta 1 distribution with these parameters, therefore x order 9 divided by 1 minus x order 9 follows beta 2 distribution. Now we know that if a random variable which follows beta 2 distribution with parameters alpha and beta, the expectation of y is equals to alpha by beta minus 1 if beta is greater than 1. That means the second parameter, if it is greater than 1, in that case the expectation is finite and it is given by alpha by beta minus 1. But here the parameter is equal to 1, right? Therefore expectation of this thing x order 9 by 1 minus x order 9 is not finite, right? It is not finite. So here obviously it is said that it is finite, therefore option A is false, right? Which one of the false? This is not true. Option A is not true. That means this is the option to this is the correct answer to the problem of this is the correct option to this problem, because the statement is not true. Obviously this because the expectation is infinite, it's not finite. So option A is the correct answer to this question, but we can just see why the other options are true. We're just asked to find the expectation of x order 5, the median, and the mode. So let us focus on x order 5, right? So x order 5 follows beta 1 with 5 and 5. So obviously expectation of x order 5 follows 5 by 5 plus 5, which is 0.5. So expectation of x order 5 is actually 0.5. It is true, obviously. Then that is only given in option B, right? Expectation of x order 5. Now again, since x order 5 follows beta distribution with parameters alpha and beta, where both of them are greater than 1, the distribution is unimodal. We know that the distribution is unimodal with mode alpha minus 1 by alpha plus beta minus 2, which is half. We can easily calculate that, right? This is the mode of the this is the mode of the distribution in case both of the parameters are greater than 1. So again the mode is half, so therefore the last option, which is the mode of x order 5, is 0.5. This option is also true and this option is also true. Let us find the median of the distribution. So if m is the median, then obviously integral 0 to m, this entire thing is half. That we have to find the m, real number m, such that this entire integral is equals to half. But since alpha is equals to beta, median is equals to half, because the parameters are the same. This is from theory. We know that if the parameters are same, then the median becomes half. We know that. In the general case is this, finding out the integral, which is a bit difficult because this is the incomplete beta integral, right? Which is a bit difficult to find. But since here the alpha and beta are same, therefore the median becomes half. We know that. So the mean, median, and mode all are half for x order 5. Therefore, all three options are correct, and option A is wrong. Therefore, option A is the true answer to this problem. So, do like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting problems. See you till next time.